Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, and today we're going to show you our 89 Chevy C1500. Really nice truck. It's a little truck from out in the western South Dakota area. Has been customized a little bit, so I got a great look to it. 350 automatic. There you can see they painted the grill, added the 20-inch wheels and tires. They've got a great little stance to it. Body's in great shape. I'm assuming they added this red in the middle. Appears to have been painted on, or painted, yeah, because of just how the trim is and stuff. So, but nice look to it. Really matches up with them wheels good. So, interior's in nice shape. No issues anywhere. They must have had a cracked. I'm guessing these covers are cracked because they added some black custom ones here. But otherwise, stock seats, stock dash is all in good shape. Headliner's in good shape. Odometer shows 1710. So I have no idea on the mileage. Here's all the documentation of what the guy fixed on it before I had it. But this one has power windows and locks, cruise, tilt, air. They added a tonneau cover. Like I said, not a lot of things to show you on the body because it's nice and really in very nice shape. The box has had some bed liner done in it a while ago. That's an older job. As you can see, there's a few scratches in it. So, like I said, got good shine to it. They did a good job on the paint. That's just a little piece of lint there. So I don't see any dents, and I really don't hardly see any scratches. So as you've seen on the underneath pictures, it's nice and clean. Been through the shop, service checked over. The guy I got it from drove it 350 miles to where I purchased it. So nice road-worthy little short box truck. So you got any questions, you can give me a call at 605-695-7391.